The first one I would like to talk about is AI avatar. So how many of you are actually aware of that you can make money online through AI avatars and sell digital products or courses? Anyone anyone is aware about it?
I've heard about it, but not sure that I've understood it.
Okay. Anybody else has heard about it? So that means it's something nobody actually knows about it. All right, that's good. So the way you can make money online is through AI avatars. AI avatars are actually it's like you're creating an influencer, and so instead of coming on the screen or instead of you making videos online yourself, you're making your twin or making a new avatar, and that avatar is going to make money for you. And the way it works is that first you can create an AI avatar online, and then you start posting your reels and videos on Instagram, and then uh, people you sell those digital products which are available on the internet. For example, you're selling a course, somebody else's course, but you get an affiliate link for this. And the way it works is that, for example, there's a course of $97, and you have an affiliate commission of 50%. So 50% of the money that you actually sell online goes to you by selling the course to somebody else. And people are making a ton of money from this, and I can show you some examples. So this guy on the left side, you can see he's making 100,000 US dollar in this is like in less than 6 months. These are all the numbers that I'm telling you is less than 6 months. So this guy made, and these are all genuine numbers, and these are like old numbers. I don't know about the recent ones, but these are the ones that you can clearly see that these are the avatars they have created. And this guy has created this avatar, and he has sold online courses or sold those courses online and through affiliate commission. He had made 100,000 US dollars. This girl has created a avatar called Ashley, and she has made 45,000 US dollars. This one is 28,000 US dollars. This lady has Farhana has made 58,000 US dollars. So these are all the real numbers, and you can make those avatars yourself and make money through digital products. And the process is pretty straightforward. It's one of the ways to replace the AI influencers. Um, I'm sure you all have heard about AI influencers. You have all have followed influencers in the past. Either it's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You follow Instagrams, follow influencers, right? So the model is pretty much the same. The only thing that is different is that instead of that real humans, you are creating an artificial AI avatar. It can be somebody like you. It can be a random person with a new name, with a new feature, with a new face, and that person or avatar can make money for you. And how the person makes money is simple. It's very simple process. Is that you simply need to create an avatar first that should look like a human, and if you look at all those images, these are all avatars, and they look like real human, right? And so what they're doing is that every single day they are, or not every single day, at least in a week, 3 or 4 times they're posting on their Instagram reels, and as a result of that, people follow them, and then when people follow them organically, they ask when they actually sell those products to those people who are actually following them. and as a result of that, they make money out of it as well. So in this process, there is no investment required. You simply need to be working hard. You need to give time to create your avatar first, and then every week you need to post stories or reels on Instagram, and then make money out of it. So this is one of the first method, and I would say this is by now, this is one of the most famous way of making money online right now these days, because a lot of people, especially this is really effective for those who are um, you know those who are like married, or especially females who are not working, or they're working but they're working part time, and they have some time available at in a whole day, where they can spend 2 to 3 hours every day, or 2 to 3 hours in a specific day when they're making a reel and posting it on the Instagram. So this is how I'm sure you all are following the influencers, based on your niche or based on your interest area. So the same method applies over here as well. And one thing what I've done is that so far, um, I'm not trying to pitch it over here, but what I'm trying to say is that I'm actually working on this course as well. I've already let me. It was not part of the presentation, but let me quickly. It's already it's already created. I mean, the only thing which I'm working right now is the Instagram part, but apart from that, all other part of the course has already been created. But I have not marketed it yet, because it's not completed yet. But if somebody wants to start creating their avatar and want to try this, they can DM me, and I can we can discuss the details over there. So that's the first method. Uh, any question on this method so far? Um, so silence means no questions. So I'll just move away uh, with the next one. All right, perfect. So the next method is through freelancing. So freelancing is how many of you have heard about the freelancing option?
Heard about it, not sure I understood.
Okay. Anybody else has heard about freelancing or how to make money through freelancing?
Yes.
Perfect. So so the freelancing is again is a second method, and you can simply need to go to, there's a website called Upwork, and it's one of the ways you can create your profile. And before creating your profile, you need to create your portfolio. Portfolio, I mean to say that you need to show them. So there are two ways to make money through freelancing through AI. One is through creating AI images. So there might be a job requirement that to we need somebody who can create AI images, or AI creatives, or AI realistic images for brands, for products, and stuff like that. So either you need to be good at creating AI images, and that should look real, or second option is that you can be good with AI videos. So in AI videos, what you need to do is that you need to come up with your own portfolio. Like you have made some AI ad, or you have made some UGC ad, or you have made some product review video or something like that through AI, and that video is going to um, help you to build your portfolio. So the more project you have worked in the past, um, that will help you to showcase your work or skill to the person who is going to hire you, and as a result of that you can get paid. So if I look at If I look at this, I just took the screenshot before the call. So if I look at these are the recent posted, like yesterday posted. So the hourly rate is like $20 to $100. This somebody is paying, and the payment is verified. This guy has already paid 4,000 US dollars. You know, this company or this guy, whoever that is, and uh, he needs somebody with the multimedia AI video production. So somebody who has, and they have given the description over here as well. There's another one which is fixed price. The budget is $250, and the payment is verified, and he has to spend 10,000 US dollar in hiring people. Um, and this project is, we are looking for someone who can create several AI video promotion to be used in Meta campaigns. So he's looking for somebody who can make AI ads for companies, and they are paying $250 for this, and the person is located in Spain. So these things are, when it's mentioned payment verified, that means, you can uh, you can make, this person is valid or verified, and you can apply for this job. So I'm not I'm not into Upwork. I'm not following Upwork recently, but few months ago when I created my account as well on Upwork. If you see that, it's over there. But at that time, I used to receive more than 100 new jobs every single day, more than 100. So this is a very upcoming or in demand um, uh, field where you can get a lot of jobs everywhere. And a lot of people, what they do is that they are like, if you have good connections with clients or businesses, what you can do is that you can get projects from clients and sublet it to somebody on Upwork. So these kind of things are also happening on Upwork as well. So let's suppose you hire a project for like 5,000 US dollar, and you want this project to be done by somebody else, and then you can simply sublet it to somebody in the developing countries, where you can pay that person by $10 per hour or stuff like that. So there are multiple ways of making money through Upwork as well. So it's all about how smartly you are doing the business part of it. All right. So this is for the second method. Is there any question on this one? No questions. I don't like silence. I want this session to be more interactive. You guys need to ask questions, and I'll be happy to answer it. Otherwise, I feel like um, it's something that you know is not really interesting to you, or is something you already know it, and you're not getting value out of it.
Well, I can speak. I am getting value for what you're saying. I just never thought about Upwork.
Mm-hmm.
I would always just try to get stuff on my Facebook account, but I would
Mm-hmm.
certainly try this.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, yeah. I will try. I don't know. I've not thought about it, but I'll try to, because every, like, if you look it into the I don't know if you guys know about my background, but I have been with the online business for the last more than 10 years now, and I have done multiple startups. I'm an entrepreneur. I've done online education as well. I've done like um, you can say I'm a UI expert. I'm a user experience expert. I know how to make courses. I know how to sell online, or do the marketing part online. So I've done all of this, and I have a major from the US. I've done my MBA from Michigan State from the US. So I know the business part. I know the education part. I know the how these all things operate, because I've been doing this for the last, and I can talk about each and every topic for hours, because based on my experience. So I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll think about it. Maybe I'll create a different detailed course, or maybe sessions, detailed session, because each topic needs proper attention. So for example, if we talk about the first one, AI avatars, I spent more than a month in developing the entire course, and it's not finished yet. So each component, or each way of making money requires proper attention, or proper detailed way of making money, and you can easily do that. I mean, it's not that it's a rocket science. You cannot do that. You can easily do that, but it's just that you need to be consistent and persistent with that. Perfect. Any other question on this freelancing through Upwork? All right. So let's move to the next one. So the next one is pretty interesting. So I have seen through with you have noticed that with the help of AI, a lot of companies are creating. There are two major shift in the industry with the help of AI right now, especially AI video making. The one shift is through AI ads. The whole marketing industry, or whole digital marketing industry, has completely um, revamped because of the AI video making process. And the second shift is through AI filmmaking. So majority of all the ads that you have seen on of AI Creator Academy on the internet are made through AI, and whatever the conversion we are getting, or whatever the all the other marketing agencies are doing right now, is they are making all their ads through AI. So this is a very popular niche right now, that a lot of companies are moving towards traditional way of making ads to the AI version of making ads. So I'll show you. I don't know. I'm sure you have seen my ads, but I'm just quickly going through the some of the ads you can see over here. These are all the ads. Those are created through AI, and by the way, one of my video is got also it's being I've done collaboration with Higgsfield, and this is the video that that I did with them. So this is the power of AI. The companies are approaching you, they're sponsoring you, and you're working with them for this. There's also something which I would like to share, and it's pretty interesting. Is that it's not related to AI ads, but I'll share. I think it's over here. There was a. I want you guys to read this. This is somebody approached me. He's a director, and seven award winning. He has created seven award winning films, and he approached me, and he wanted to work with me on AI film that he's planning to create. So this is the the scale where you see that there are people who are working in the traditional space of they're working with, like they have received awards in different proper traditional films, and they're shifting towards AI now, and they need people who knows the skill of how to create AI videos, right? Because those people who are, imagine those directors who have seven awards, or they have awards in their careers, they must be like 50 plus or 60 plus in their ages. So they're not willing to learn AI. They want to hire people who knows AI, and they want to work with them. And this is my personal I receive a message from this guy. So and this is all happening right now. It's not like if you don't know this, that does not mean it does not exist, right? This is happening, and people are making money through this. So the next one I'll share with you is that so any question on ads? I mean, it's a huge industry. I mean, it's a completely huge industry. I know some of the companies, they are spending, and I'm not exaggerating. I can right now show you on the on YouTube as well. If you want, I can DM you the link as well of those channels. The agencies are working for other companies, and they're spending $10,000 US on ads on a daily basis. I'm just repeating it, 10,000 US dollar on ads on a daily basis. This is the amount of money that companies are spending on ads, and they are shifting towards AI now. So this is another niche that you can, make money online. The third one is the fourth one is pretty interesting, and I'm sure a lot of you are not aware of, or maybe you're aware of, but you don't know how it works. Is through affiliate marketing, and this is such a powerful tool that people are making thousands of dollars through it. I'll share an example of a screenshot of a person who is making who has made 38,000 US dollars through school affiliates, and that's his screenshot of the payment and all the stuff. So this person is all he's doing is that he has created a school group, and he's using school affiliate link, which you can also get it from the school website, and he is sharing, he's either advertising it or he's sharing in different communities where he's getting new customers. So whoever comes as a customer and and join the school network, school community, so whatever the payment that person will get, he will get 40% of the commission out of it. So out of 40% commission, he is getting 38,000 US dollar. He has made it through school affiliates. So the other day I saw somebody who made 5,000 US dollar in 1 month or 2 months, something like that. So people are making money, right? It all depends on how you are making money. So the way it works is that, so for example, I can quickly share you the hack of it is, um, you are you create a affiliate link through school, and once you have affiliate link, you start making AI ads. That's one way of doing it. And when you start making AI ads, so whoever joins those ads, because you're making ads for the school, so whoever joins that group, you make money out of it. There's also another way which I can tell you is that I know somebody who has made 10,000 US dollar. He was earning 10,000 US dollar every month through a course like mine. So it's a $5 course. So the person, what he did was he created ads, and he ran Meta ads on Meta, and he gave an affiliate link of somebody who's selling AI video making process. And for every subscription that a person pays, he gets 50% of the commission. So for example, if somebody is paying, um, I'm just giving an example, somebody's paying uh, annual payment of, let's say, or monthly payment, like somebody's paying $9, so he'll get $4.50 every month. So that guy is making 10,000 US dollar every single month, and I personally know this guy as well, right? So these things are already happening. Yes, I understand. Yes, you'll think about it. Oh, I mean, it's difficult. It's you need to work on it. Yes, of course you have to work on it. There's nothing as it's not easy thing to make money these days, right? But there are ways you can make it, like through passive income. You can make money online through the help of school network, through the help of AI. All right. Any question on this so far?
So just for clarification,
Mm-hmm.
we would be advertising school, right? The school business. That's what the ads would be about, and people who are on school.
Yes. So yeah. So let me show you. That's a very good question. So I go to my profile, and I think there's an option of, yeah. You can see affiliates over here, and affiliates over here you can see schoolers. So this is where the school community is. So I copy that, and I use that link. You see, it's 40% commission. So I use that link in my ads, which I've created for school, right? And whoever gets a gets to pay to the school, that 40% of the commission goes to you, right? The same way you can do it for, let's say, AI Creator Academy. I'm just making it, right? So you just copy the link, you'll get 50% of the commission out of it. So whatever uh, you know the person joins the group, you'll every single, like, if the person stays here for a year, you will get the monthly commission on every month from that person. So 50%, let's say the person pays $9 every month. So $4.5 you'll receive every month from that person. It's a lifetime payment till the person is in the group. It's not like a one-time payment. Most of the affiliate that we have seen is that it's a one-time payment, but this one is a monthly payment, right? So this is how it works. Thank you for asking a good question. It was a good question. Anybody else has a question? All right, so let's thank you. So let's move to the next one. So um, so we have talked about ads, we have talked about affiliate marketing, we have talked about, now let's talk about the Facebook videos on faceless videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So one of the ways that you can make money is through making AI videos. And how you do that, previously people used to make um, content through by recording. Like right now, I'm sitting in front of you. I feel it like I've done it myself. I have a paid YouTube channel as well. I have 25,000 subscribers on it, more than 25,000 now, and it's monetized as well. So I every month I get money from YouTube as well. But making recording videos like this is I feel like it's more like a pain for me, because at that time there wasn't any option of AI. but but it, but I see that people are making money through AI videos. And I'll show you quickly, like, there's certain niche which are very popular right now. I'll just quickly show you a channel of a religious channel. Like, you're making Bible videos, you're making Islamic videos, you're making history videos, you're making kids videos and stuff like that. So you make tons of money through this. So I'll share an example of this video where it's a religious story TV, and the guy has posted 300 videos. But if you look at the number of views per video, you'll be amazed. So um, so if you look at 6 months ago, this guy has a through 2.3 million views, 1.9 million views, 1.8 million views, 1.4 million views, 1.3 million views. So I'm not even exaggerating, but looking at this guy profile, this channel profile, um, easily this guy would be making more than 25,000 US dollar to 30,000 US dollar, more than that, easily, right? And it's not a small amount at all, right? And the good part of YouTube is that it the views keep on multiplying. I have not seen any channel where the views are stagnant in one point. No, every new month there are new videos. So the new video also get the views, and the previous videos also get the views as well, based on how consistent are you with this. And this is very much real. People are making, and these are all AI videos. These are not. You simply need to copy any script or anything that you get it from. You can also get it from ChatGPT, all the scripts, and you can start making videos and making money online, right? So And we can again, it's a topic where we can talk about this for hours. Like we can talk about the niche, we can talk about the thumbnail, we can talk about the content, we can talk about the description, how consistent you should be doing it, all the stuff. But yes, this is happening. Right? Any question on this one? Anyone? Okay. So let's move to the next one. Sorry. So next is AI filmmaking. Um, yeah, I think we just talked about YouTube, but let me touch base on Instagram and TikTok as well. So this was the example I gave was for just for the YouTube, but you can also you know make money through TikTok as well. And there are certain niche like history, POV history, niche. There are like AI avatars. There are other niche where TikTok is paying you for the number of views. And I have literally seen other people, making thousands of dollars every month by posting regularly on Instagram. So by Instagram and TikTok. So the way it works is that on TikTok, the channel is easily monetized and they can pay you well. But on Instagram, you don't get money from the Instagram platform. But the way you can get money is that once you have a good number of followers, you can get paid collaborations. So the example I shared with you is uh, like this one. Um, I did a collaboration with Hicksfield. So it's a paid collaboration, and they approached me and they said, we want you to promote our product and we'll pay you, and that's how it happened, right? So it all depends on how regularly you're posting on your Instagram, and this is how you make paid collaboration with companies. Also, you can do UGC videos as well. If you have AI influencers who is posting regularly and you're posting videos like you're promoting products, companies are going to approach you, or you're going to approach the companies one way or the other way, and you can start making money through this. I have seen in our community, I've seen somebody who has made 12,000 US dollar through AI avatars. And the other day, there was a female student who has received a contract of 5,000 US dollar with a paid company to promote their to create UGC ads for the company. So this is pretty much happening right now with the help of AI, and all you need to do is that you need to focus on um, one area where you think that you feel there's interest of yours, and you can start working in that area. All right. So one thing which I noticed that a lot of people do in this whole process is that they try to jump into every area. So I would I would discourage you to go and attempt every single area, because every area requires some specialized knowledge or efforts. So I would stick with one area and then become really good at it in that area. All right. The next one is create AI songs and music videos. So I know people in the community, they are making money through AI songs. One of the members in the community, she has made AI music, and she has over 500,000 views on her two of the videos that she has made, and it was an old post of 26 days old. And again, there is also a way where you can make money. People are making songs through different tools and softwares, and what they do is that they upload the songs on Spotify and then make money through people listening to their songs. All right. The other one is you can also make money through competitions. So, for example, this guy, he's a filmmaker. He made short documentary movie through AI, and he made $1 million out of it. He won the prize, and he was just like a filmmaker, like all of us, and he was not a professional from a Hollywood guy or something like that. He just a filmmaker who just made a video and won a prize. Yes, the video quality was good, so you need to spend a lot of time in learning the art of how you're going to come up with a story and come up with the animation, visuals, and all the stuff. So yeah. And every other day, I'm posting videos on like a challenges of the cash rewards and contest. So recently, I've posted about there was a Hicksfield has a challenge of 500,000 US dollar being cash awards being given to different participants, and the minimum one was 10,000 US dollars. So you can easily make money through AI. It's all about which niche or which area you want to pick, and you want to follow that route. So if somebody is saying you cannot make money through AI, I would say either the person does not want to make money or he does not know the how to do it. All right. The one is yeah, we talked about the paid partnership with companies as well. So once you become more visible, you become more you know you are uh, you know you're posting your content every day on social media. Sooner people will start following you, and they start collaborating with you or start paying you. I honestly every week I receive one or two messages from different um, brands and companies. They say, okay, we want to hire you for to make ads for us or to make videos for us, AI videos for us. And I was like, I don't have time for this because these things require a specialized time. Then because I'm running my own course, I have to create new courses, I have to create new videos. So I have my own work agenda that I'm working on, so I cannot work with these businesses. But yes, you can do it. So once you have the videos available on the social media accounts, people will approach you and you can make money through that as well. Plus there's also a huge community of, and that's where you can utilize your AI skills, is that there are a lot of people on school network where they are they have the business. They want to grow their business, and for that they need to have people like you to run ads for them, or create AI content for them, or run their Instagram or other channels. So they need people like and they don't know the AI skills. You guys know the AI skills, so you can do the leverage and collaborate with them and earn money through AI as well. So yeah, I mean these are the high level summary of, or the outline of how to um, make money through AI. We can, like if you pick us one section, one area, we can talk about that for hours, because there's so much things to talk about in one area only. But I just wanted to give you the glimpse of how you can create money with AI. So I'm open to all Q&A, question and answer. If you have any questions, so please let me know.
I do have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
You didn't mention Facebook when you were referencing other social media sites.
Yeah, I mean, Facebook. The reason why I did not mention Facebook is that Abdul Salim, can you please mute yourself? So the Facebook is the Facebook is we need to understand the audience of the Facebook. So Facebook is really good for so Gen Z and is not on the Facebook, right? So they are mostly on Instagram and other channel, TikTok and uh, other social media accounts. Facebook is for people like who are maybe in the 30s or above 30s, right? And so if your product is if your content is specific for those people who are of that age group, then Facebook is a good way of making money. But what I've heard from about Facebook is that the amount of money that they give you is pretty less as compared to the number of efforts you put in Facebook. Facebook also monetize. You can also make money through Facebook, but you need to have like a very you need to work really hard for it. But as compared to Facebook, I would recommend that go with YouTube or TikTok to make money. But if your niche is different, if you want to first work on Instagram, create your followers, and then do paid you know paid content or paid collabs, then for Instagram that is good. But I would highly recommend that start off with YouTube and TikTok. TikTok has a different audience, but if you really want to get into the you know long term thing, then YouTube is your best bet. YouTube is by far is my most favorite niche where you can make really good money and and by being consistent. So one thing I would like to mention by looking at all the things that we have discussed is that one thing is a key in all the areas that you need to be consistent. So there's no quick way to make money. So pick any niche, any topic, or any area that we have talked about. Either you're doing freelancing, either you're doing YouTube, either you're doing affiliate marketing. You need to be consistent in one area. Either you're talking about AI avatars. I can I mean nobody can guarantee anything, but I can give you like 99% assurity that if you pick one niche and you follow all the things that we have discussed, or you follow all the things that is required to do that activity, you will make money. And that's 200%. I've done it myself in my life in the last 10 years, and I have seen other people in my circle that they have done it. So um, I mean, I would not discuss anything which is not practical. Like I'm discouraging Facebook because Facebook is a tough thing based on but other areas are already people are making money. Like if I show you people who are making money through School Network, and if there's also another area which is not related to AI, but I have seen a lot of people making money through school and how they're doing it. Like if you are really good in something, let's suppose if you're really good at you have a specialized skill or knowledge, you can easily make money through school. You can create your own course. So for example, you're good at guitar, or you're good at piano, or you're good at something else, right? You simply create a school group, or you're good at cooking, or you're good at any specific area. You just create your own network on course on school, and start getting engaged with customers, or start adding content. And you can, again, it's a very specific niche, specific area of making money. But there are people who are making. Yesterday I saw a School Network, and I'll show you as well. um, so I'm here. So yesterday I think they posted something. Yeah, this one. School news: the kids earn 238,000 US dollar per month. Looks maxi. So so this is there's a guy who's like a animal painting. He's teaching you how to paint through paint animals, and he's making 5,000 US dollar per month. There's a ski academy. The guy is teaching about how to do skiing, and he's making $11,000 per month. So there are like 200,000 school groups right now. So everybody is somehow making money. So everybody has a different niche. Somebody is doing it through sports. Somebody is doing through money. Somebody is doing through hobbies. Somebody is doing through tech. It's all about depends on how you are making money. So if everything is so visible, everything is so easily, you can see all those things people are making money right now. Like if I go to school games and I see, people are literally uh, making money over here. Can you see this? People are making money through relationship, by talking about relationship, how to improve your, there's a man's dating academy. There's, other areas where you can talk about. You can talk about self improvement. You can talk about productivity. You can talk about sports. This guy is making $18,000. This guy is making $30,000. So these are the real. This guy is making $67,000. These are the real numbers. It's not like I just made up, come up with the fake numbers. No. So there are people. There are, if you're like health conscious, you want to make through health. If you have a pet, you have dogs, you have a special skill, you can start making your course online. And I can, maybe we can have one-to-one sessions, and I can help you how I create my course and how I can help you to create your courses as well. So it all depends on what exactly you want to do, right? So based on my 10 years experience, you can leverage that as well if you want to. But if you don't want to leverage that, you can do it yourself as well. But what I'm trying to say is that if you don't know these things, that does not mean that is not happening. Right? People are making money. People will be making money in future as well. And if you don't take a first step, you'll not make money as well. Like if you're like a spiritually want to do something, you can do that. You can do in tech, you can do in money area. Like if you're into trading, you can do that. You need to find the one area where you're really good at, and then you can start teaching it, and you really like that area. It's not like one day I like AI, the next day I like pickleball. No. You need to pick one area. This guy is making through Facebook ads. He's making 31,000 US dollars. This guy is making 50,000 US dollars, right? So everybody is selling something. They're making money out of it, right? So, anyways, so um, I mean, I can again, I mean, I wanted to keep this session very precise and to the point. I don't want to, talk in detail or try to sell that I'm selling some, product or something. No, it's not like. I just wanted to have the session so that you guys can uh, get to know about different avenues, and then you can pick an area where you think that I'll pick this area because, and then you can start working on it. And if you need, we can talk about that offline, and and I can guide you further if you want that. So yeah, I mean, these are the multiple ways where you can make money with AI and other means as well. Um, but trust me, there's so many opportunities right now with the help of AI, and with the help of AI or without AI, that you can make money. But one thing which is very important is that I'm repeating it again and again. You need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, if you're not focused, trust me, you'll not make money. That's very important.